Hi, I I am Daisy. I study psychology. I am my last year. After receiving my psychology degree, I'm planning to specialize in organizational psychology. Uh, Having a psychologist specialist in human behavior to create an ideal environment and well-being for every member in the company is extremely important. I would like to work in the Santander company in Incubadora Santander as a staff selection director. The salary pay there is enough is around 2,500,000. Enough. Okay. Thank you for attention. Goodbye.